Welcome to our BDID domain channel. To know more about digital marketing strategy, do not skip and watch the full video.
And on this video I will show you to do SEO for keyword research part 2, and this is our part 2 and we did our part 1 for this keyword research part 1 SEO, and this is part 2. So clicking on this video, it will redirect us on this page, and we will wait for few seconds so that it will show us the ranking SEO score. So let's see what's the SEO score for this video. Very poor, and that is 5, and we don't want 5 SEO score, we want more SEO score. So let's go with this keyword. I have added this keywords, that is keyword research for digital marketing, and it is redirecting me on this page. And let's go with this one. Let's see. This is Bangla tutoring, but I want something English. So let's see the SEO score. It has good SEO score. We can take this one, but we need different titles. So we will search for different title. And I am going to my video and going to my edit section. We all know the procedure, right? I have showed so many videos on this tags, how we can go to our channel and how we can log in it with TubeBuddy, and then how we can search for high ranked tags, and how we can put it behind our videos, right? So you will get all the videos from our channel. Visit our channel, do not forget to subscribe and share to others. Now moving to this ad section, I am going to paste it over there. So this is my keyword, this is my text, and now I am moving for some title, and let's see with these things. I want some title, good title. So again I'm searching for with this keyword. Let's click on this one. Waiting for few seconds. Okay, it has good SEO score also. We can take this keyword, sorry, this title, going to our channel, and I am pasting it over there. Let me see one thing, that this SEO score is 100, right? And let's see this ranked keyword. Waiting for few seconds. We can take these also, these all keywords also. We have space, so we can put it also. It is loading. I want to show the ranked tags. Okay, it has 11 ranked tags, so we can take this one also. I'm taking these keywords also, this hashtag tags also. Okay, so going to there, and I'm going to our ad tag section again and paste it over there. So it is showing me red mark because, okay, so let me just cross all of these things and again pasting over there, so it is good now. And I have clicked on save button. Okay, it has been saved, and now I'm moving to my channel again. And on video section, I did SEO for keyword research part 2, right? So before that, I want to share that this is our mediated domain channel. Go to our channel on video section, and on our playlist you will get all kinds of video and all kinds of tutoring like automation testing, Canva tutoring, digital marketing course, and do not forget to subscribe and share to others. Now let me show you my videos ranking score. Okay, it is loading. So we did our SEO for this keyword research part 2, right? So clicking on this video, waiting for few seconds, it will show us a ranking. We know that we have already showed that our SEO score was only 3 to 5. That was so poor SEO score, but we need more SEO score. So we did our SEO, and you can see that it is showing us 65.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel to see upcoming videos and to get notification click the bell icon.